Friends, have you ever noticed that the moment cold air enters the house, the elders at home start breathing a little heavier? That quiet, creeping joint pain begins to grow. At night, as soon as they lie down on the bed, it feels as if the cold has settled deep into their bones. And in the morning, there is that mild shivering that just doesn't seem to stop. This is not happening only because of age. Think about it for a moment. What if the real danger is not the cold outside, but the loss of warmth inside the body that is slowly fading away? And as soon as this inner heat begins to drop, joint pain increases, colds and flu start happening again and again, immunity becomes weak, and the biggest fear begins to rise. What if this winter becomes their last? Over the past many years, I have observed something very important. The biggest enemy of the elderly is not December's cold weather. It is an empty stomach that has become cold from the inside, a stomach that can no longer deliver warmth into the blood. As a result, the body keeps shivering, and immunity becomes so weak that even a light breeze can turn into an illness. But wait for a moment. This secret is so simple that when you hear it, you may say, "Is that really all?" Yet once you truly understand it, you will ask yourself, why didn't we know this in our homes for all these years? Think about it. If the elders in your home start just one of these things tonight, will they wake up tomorrow morning smiling and say, "I didn't feel cold today"? Or will they still be shivering and asking, "Why hasn't this pain gone away yet?" Pause for just one moment, because what I am about to share can change the life of your elders. And if there is an elderly person in your home who struggles the most during winter, ask yourself honestly, do you want to give the cold another chance to become a punishment for them? Just think about this and keep listening, because the real secret starts now. And this secret is so powerful that even the cold is forced to step back. Welcome, friends, to your channel, Be Healthy Talks. Please press the subscribe button and turn on notifications. All this information is science-backed, and research references are provided in the description below. Blood that can no longer spread warmth, immunity that collapses at the slightest breeze, and joints that ache constantly with pain? But what if I told you that right inside your own kitchen, there are just 10 simple things that can pull winter out by its roots? Things that keep the body so warm from the inside that cold cannot even touch it? Things that make immunity as strong as iron? Things that calm joint pain as if it never existed? Would you believe it? Or would you think this is just another story? The truth is, these things have been in our homes for generations. We just didn't know how to use them correctly. And today I am going to share the secret that can free your elders' winters from the prison of pain. Let's begin with turmeric milk. Yes, the same turmeric that exists in every kitchen, but for elders, it is nothing less than nectar. When a glass of warm milk mixed with half a teaspoon of turmeric is taken before bedtime, what happens? Turmeric contains curcumin, which fights inflammation at its root. It silences joint pain almost like magic. The shivering that comes with winter disappears because blood circulation improves, and the body starts warming from the inside. Immunity becomes so strong that colds and flu cannot even come close. But the method matters. Take it about 30 minutes before bedtime. Add a pinch of black pepper because it increases turmeric's effect by 10 times. If sweetness is desired, add a little honey. If this becomes a daily routine for elders, winter becomes nothing more than a light breeze. And the biggest benefit is deep, restful sleep that leaves the body feeling refreshed in the morning. But wait, this is only the beginning. If one simple thing can do this much, imagine what comes next. The next is cinnamon tea. Yes, the same cinnamon that adds aroma to tea, but for elders, it is a hidden weapon. Drinking warm water with half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder in the morning spreads warmth through the body that lasts all day. Cinnamon helps control blood sugar, which is a major cause of weakness in elderly people during winter. It boosts metabolism so the body starts producing its own heat. It reduces joint pain because it is anti-inflammatory. And it strengthens immunity so much that viruses stay away. When and how should it be taken? In the morning on an empty stomach, or after lunch, mixed in tea or warm water. Adding ginger doubles the effect. Winter fatigue disappears and elders stay active throughout the day. It also supports heart health, which is most at risk during cold months. Now comes the third thing, almonds. Simple almonds, yet the biggest enemy of winter for elders. Eating 5 to 6 soaked almonds every morning provides healthy fats that act like a warm coat inside the body. They boost immunity, lubricate joints, and push pain away. Blood circulation improves so cold cannot settle anywhere. Soak almonds overnight, peel them in the morning and eat them. Mix them into milk or add them to salads. When eaten with jaggery, the taste improves and the benefits deepen. Memory sharpens, the heart stays strong, and winter weakness disappears. Friends, these first three things are just the doorway that begins the battle against the cold. Just imagine if these first three remedies can do so much. Think about what the rest can achieve together. But before I go further, I want to say this from the heart. Cold is not just a season, it's a hidden danger that quietly steals years from our elders' lives. And these remedies are the shield that can stop this danger, but only if used correctly. For example, if turmeric milk is taken every night, it brings such deep restorative sleep that cold doesn't stand a chance. If cinnamon tea is consumed in the afternoon, warmth stays in the body until evening and fatigue disappears. But did you know that these remedies don't just work alone? When combined, they become even more powerful. For instance, adding cinnamon to turmeric milk makes swelling and pain vanish, and pairing almonds with cinnamon tea speeds up blood circulation so much that cold can't touch the body. And the greatest secret? All of these are simple household ingredients with no side effects. However, if used incorrectly, their effects can weaken. For elders, more than half a teaspoon of turmeric may cause excessive internal heat. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon is enough. More than 5 almonds can increase weight. But the benefits are so remarkable that repeated winter visits to the doctor become unnecessary. Elders start smiling again, and they feel light and active throughout the day. We've covered the first 3 remedies. Now let's move on to the next 3 that ignite warmth from within. The 4th remedy is fresh ginger, available in every kitchen. Early in the morning, grate a small piece and mix it with warm water or add it to tea. Ginger creates a fire inside the body. It speeds up metabolism so that cold cannot penetrate. It prevents colds from taking root, removes internal chill, and brings heat to achy joints that even medicine can't provide. For elders, a cup of ginger tea in the morning or evening with a little honey can make fatigue disappear entirely. The 5th remedy is jaggery and sesame seeds. Simply roasted sesame seeds with jaggery. Together, these create an internal warmth as if a tiny sun is burning inside the body. Jaggery is rich in iron, keeps blood warm, strengthens immunity, and the calcium in sesame makes bones so strong that joint pain quiets down. For elders, a small piece of homemade sweet of sesame seeds and jaggery, or a handful of roasted sesame seeds with jaggery, especially after lunch, ensures that cold doesn't touch them. The 6th remedy is extra virgin olive oil, a staple since our grandmother's times. A small teaspoon daily, either spread on bread or mixed into lentils and vegetables, forms a protective layer inside the body. It keeps warmth from escaping and lubricates the joints. The most powerful benefit of extra virgin olive oil for elders is that it strengthens them from within, like an old memory that never fades. If your elders start taking these 3 remedies daily in small amounts, the fear of cold, shivering, and joint pain will gradually fade. The body will stay warm from the inside. Immunity will shine, and winter will once again become a pleasant memory. But friends, this is only half the battle. The real secret is still to come, and it's so powerful that you'll feel it was made, especially for our elders. If the last 4 items in your kitchen are used correctly, they can ease knee pain, straighten the back, and eliminate a cold from the inside out. Now, let's talk about the last 4 remedies that defeat both cold and pain. The 7th remedy is fenugreek. Fenugreek eliminates internal inflammation. It brings warmth to the knees, reduces back pain, strengthens joints, and defeats cold so effectively that the body remains warm all day. For elders, this is as powerful as medicine. Pain gradually decreases, walking becomes easier, and old stiffness disappears. The 8th remedy is millet bread. Bake it daily for lunch or dinner and spread a little extra virgin olive oil on top. It is rich in fiber, improves digestion, strengthens bones with calcium, supports knees and back, and maintains body temperature all day. For elders, this bread is like a warm blanket. Cold doesn't penetrate, pain reduces, and hunger stays away for longer. The 9th remedy is roasted peanuts, the simplest and most affordable companion for winter. Eat a handful during the day. They are full of protein, healthy fats, and magnesium. Peanuts help maintain body temperature, generate internal heat, lubricate joints, reduce pain, and fight weakness. They eliminate winter fatigue and improve blood circulation in elders. The 10th and final remedy is dried nuts like cashews, walnuts, and raisins. Soak them overnight and eat them in the morning or mix them in milk and consume before bed. These nuts release heat gradually, strengthen knees and back, make bones strong, keep the brain sharp, and support heart health. When all of these remedies work together, the cold completely surrenders. This is the moment when winter's harsh grip ends and the sparkle returns to your elders' eyes. The smiles that cold had hidden for years come back. The gentle laughter that says, "Yes, winter can't touch me now," fills the home again. I assure you, these 10 remedies are not just food. They are little acts of love you can give your elders. They will bring warmth into their bones, allow knees to straighten, help the back stand tall again, and provide nights of deep, refreshing sleep. Cold is not just a season. It is a hidden threat that steals years from elderly lives. These things are shields against that threat when used correctly. They are natural, homemade, and safe with no side effects as long as quantities are right. And remember, these things are even more powerful when used together. When all of them work together, winter completely surrenders. This strength multiplies when you follow these 10 simple secrets. Do not give everything in one day. Choose 1 or 2 with love. Always serve everything warm. Add a pinch of black pepper each time. Have turmeric milk or soaked nuts before bedtime. Start mornings with ginger or cinnamon tea. Prepare everything with love. And most importantly, give more warm water every day. These are 10 promises you make to your elders that winter will never leave them alone again. Friends, this journey does not end here. This is only the beginning. Every winter can now become a story of warmth, comfort, and smiles. If anything I said didn't touch your heart the way it should have, I sincerely apologize. My only purpose is to bring back the light winter has stolen from your elders' eyes. If this touched your heart, please subscribe to Be Healthy Talks. Press like with love. Turn on notifications. And share this video with friends who have elders at home. Because one share can change someone's winter and light up someone's life. May God grant your elders complete health. May every prayer of theirs be accepted. May smiles always remain on their faces. And may cold never cause them pain. Goodbye.